You 03 to 13 Ram 2500, 3500 guys, we've got a pretty awesome kit we've assembled here from Carli Suspension. It's a full front end upgrade kit and a 3-inch leveling kit. So starting off with the coils here, these are a multi-rate, softer rate coils, ride way better than a coil spacer. Paired with these, you've got Carli's custom tuned monotube shocks here, one of the best monotube shocks on the market. And then to recenter that front axle with the lift kit, we've got Carli's extended control arms. These are greasable and rebuildable and just way more beefy than the stock ones. Now moving up to the steering, we've got Carli's track bar. This thing is going to recenter your axle up to 3 inches of lift. It'll work on a stock level truck as well, and it's going to tighten up that front end as well. The bar is way more heavy duty than stock, made out of chromoly. Both ends are rebuildable. Now we've got Carli's stainless steel steering dampener here. That's going to get rid of your right tire pull and just really vastly improve your steering feel. And then we've got Carli's extreme duty ball joints here, the last ball joints you'll ever need to buy. Lifetime warranty and fully overbuilt in every way, also greasable. And then lastly, we've got Carli's extended adjustable sway bar end links here, made out of stainless and just a really nice heavy duty unit. Will work on a stock height or leveled application. If you guys have any questions on this, feel free to give us a call. We have sales techs on the phone from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday. You can also reach us on the site via chats or emails. We're here to give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.